Sorry.
Austin, do you want to get your hair done?
Is it recording? Is it red?
No, it's green.
Yes, it is. It's recording. So make sure you get it.
Why do you guys have so many combs?
That looks how he scoops them.
Because you don't want to use the same comb on everybody's hair.
Different people's hair. And different
You
clothes,
okay, babe?
especially.
Almost done.
He loves that. He loves it.
Jams!
Looking cool. James
He loves the
cool.
spikes like
It's
that.
pretty cool.
Jams, you look so
loves
cool.
Skin is fakey.
Very spiky.
Yeah, I know. I got. See how it kind of steams?
And then we'll probably do the
Oh my
what
gosh.
size
he
on that?
looks-
What color on the sides do you think?
He's so cool looking.
Green and yellow.
Like the Packers?
Yes.
I don't
wanna do
think so.
Packers?
If
No,
you
we're
go
not doing
Packers, I can't.
Packers.
You can't ride in my car.
Oh!
You can too.
Polka dots.
Yeah.
James, do you like the polka dot idea? Yeah.
No?
Oh, it's cool looking, James.
It looks
Stripes on the
cool.
other side. He's like, it's cold!
Is it cold? Yeah, it is. Since I've been sitting outside all day.
Yeah.
Look at this, Austin. Look at your caterpillar.
Your caterpillar would love it.
He's just trying to hitch a ride over to Washington.
Yep. Austin, James, look at my arm.
Oh,
Look at my arm.
Cool, you guys take a
that
look.
looks super cool. Go look at the beard.
Oh, look at
Take a look at the mirror. Take an army man. Cute.
James, what do you say?
Thank you guys too. Here, you gotta give this to mom.
Thank you.
Yes.